In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HTML to WordPress for beginners. Whether you're completely new to WordPress or just getting started with HTML, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is the home base for managing your WordPress site and where you'll carry out most of the instructions today. Once you are at wordpress.com, you'll see the login option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click that. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Next, in order to keep things simple, we recommend using the Continue with Google option. This will expedite the process by using your Google account to sign in instead of remembering another password. After clicking Continue with Google, you will be presented with a list of your Google accounts linked to your browser. Choose the account associated with your WordPress site. This ensures you're accessing the correct dashboard for your website editing. Once logged in, you'll notice plenty of options on the home page, but your focus should be on the right panel where you'll see Quick Links. Here, find the Edit Site option and click on it. This will take you directly to your website's main editing area. It's a convenient way to skip through some of the additional navigation and get right to what matters. Now that you're in your site editor, the next step is to choose the website you want to edit. If you manage more than one site, ensure you select the correct one. Once you click on your website, you're ready to delve into the specifics of layout and content. Once your website loads in the editor, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find a series of icons and menus. What you're interested in is the Options menu. Click on Options and it will expand to show more tools and features. You'll notice one of these options is the Code Editor. Clicking on the Code Editor will open up the section of the dashboard where you can directly input HTML code. This is where the magic happens. If you're new to HTML, start with simple tags to alter content, or if you're more seasoned, feel free to implement more comprehensive coding. Finally, after making your desired changes, remember to save your work. It's a good idea to review the HTML by previewing your site, ensuring everything appears as expected. That's it! You've successfully added HTML to your WordPress website. Thank you for following along and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy customizing your website and until next time, happy editing.